Alright guys, check this out. Audi R8 2021 installed with the StarLine alarm and immobiliser system. So if a thief copies or clones your key and they don't have the StarLine tag, what's going to happen is the moment they unlock the car, after a few seconds it sets the alarm off, and what's going to happen is, so it will call you on the phone to let you know someone's trying to start the vehicle.
Alarm in alarm system mode. Ignition is on.
So it lets you know someone's trying to start the car, and they will not be able to start the vehicle. It's fully immobilized. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to get the StarLine tag. Okay, so now I've got the tag with me. So the system is disabled because I'm the authorized driver of the vehicle, and now I can turn it on. If you want this installed on your vehicle to prevent it from being stolen, give us a shout.